Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you might need to transfer your XDC tokens from Revolut to Kucoin for better trading options. Today, I'm walking you through this process step by step. It's simpler than you think, and I'll make sure you avoid common pitfalls along the way. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Revolut and Kucoin, and that you have some XDC in your Revolut wallet. Also, double-check that you're using the correct network, as XDC typically operates on its own blockchain. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Open your Revolut app and log in. Navigate to the Crypto section, where you'll see your XDC balance. Tap on it to access your holdings. Next, select the Withdraw or Send option. This might be labeled differently based on updates in 2025, so keep an eye out for any prompts. Step 2. You'll need your Kucoin wallet address. Head over to the Kucoin app or website, log in, and go to your wallet. Find the XDC deposit address, copy it carefully to avoid any errors. Pro tip: always verify the address by comparing it character by character before proceeding. Step 3. Back in Revolut, paste the Kucoin address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of XDC you want to transfer, and review any fees that might apply. They can vary based on network congestion. Once everything looks good, hit Confirm and authorize the transaction, probably with your PIN or biometrics. Step 4. Wait for the transfer to process. This could take a few minutes to an hour, depending on the network. Once it's done, check your Kucoin account to confirm the XDC has arrived. If it doesn't show up, don't panic. Just verify the transaction on a blockchain explorer using the Texas ID. A quick word of caution: always use secure connections, enable two-factor authentication, and never share your private keys. Fees can add up, so transfer larger amounts when possible to minimize costs. There you have it. That's how you transfer XDC from Revolut to Kucoin in 2025. If this helped, smash that like button and subscribe for more crypto guides. Drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.